GitHub is overhauling its bug bounty program to reward top security researchers and cut down on low-effort submissions. They're launching a new VIP program for their best hackers, offering bigger payouts and direct access to their engineering team. For VIPs, bounties range from $1,000 for low-severity bugs up to $30,000 or more for critical ones. The public program also gets a boost, with payouts for critical vulnerabilities reaching $10,000. These changes aim to focus on high-impact security findings and build stronger relationships with elite researchers. GitHub's bug bounty program Overhaul is all about rewarding quality and driving better security.